Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the Subaru Forester key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. On the back here, you want to press this button and pull your mechanical key out. This slot right here, this one, is where you want to stick your mechanical key in. Just like that. Just give the back half a nice pry. You can see this piece right here can very easily come out, and if it does come out, you want to make sure the spring goes on that little nub, and then you want to make sure that this little latch goes over the silver piece. Once you have that out, go ahead and take your circle board out, and I just like to put the screw straight in there, and that pops the battery out. Old battery out, new one goes in this side first, positive side facing outward. Make sure that's seated nicely in between that silicone. Give that a squeeze back together. Put that in there, and you can test right here. Make sure you got your red light, and there is no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.